If you're having trouble verifying your identity on BOK Financial, follow these steps to resolve the issue and successfully complete the verification process. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the personal information you provided matches the details on your official identification documents. This includes your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Step 2. Use alternative verification methods. If the initial verification fails, look for alternative methods provided by BOK Financial. This may include answering security questions, providing additional documentation, or using a different verification method such as a phone call or email. Step 3. Contact customer support. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Provide required documentation. Be prepared to submit any requested documentation to verify your identity. This may include a government-issued ID, utility bills, or bank statements that confirm your identity and address. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your document or information, follow up with customer support to ensure that your verification is being processed. Keep a record of any reference numbers or communication for future reference. By following these steps, you can effectively address identity verification issues with BOK Financial. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.